So, we just had a delivery. Can you tell what it is yet? Well, not from the box, no, because it's in a plain box, but here's a clue. It's for household use only. Are you excited? Oh, okay.
No.
Should we unbox it?
Go for it.
Oh, great. A video unboxing.
It will be just like Christmas.
No, it won't.
I can wrap it in wrapping paper if you like.
No. Are you excited, Ted?
Ted's excited.
Are you excited?
Well, I'm not sure.
Well, everybody loves a good unboxing, so let's do a good unboxing. Well, let's do a bad unboxing and make out it's good.
Whatever. Just get on with it.
So it looks like Yodel have started to unbox it for me already, because Yodel's such a cracking service when it comes to anything. Yes, you hold camera and I'll go and unbox. There you go. Have a camera. I'll now unbox. I might need some scissors.
Yes, you might.
Oh, it's so exciting. Zip. 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 To make the noises as well.
Do we know what it is yet?
Do we know what it is? It's something that goes da 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 da.
No, it's not. If it does, it's going back.
Oh, just what I always wanted. Some brown paper.
Ted says, I'll have it.
Got some brown paper, Ted. Okay. Got some brown paper. Got some more. Hey, there you go. It's some fluid. More paper. More paper.
It's just a box full of paper.
Ooh.
It's a garden fork.
Oh, fork. It's a snake.
No. What's going on, Ted? Oh, he's not sure. He's getting out the way.
Another bag. Are we ready? Ooh.
Ooh, lots of little bits with it then.
There's a clue. Are we ready?
Sure.
Are we ready for the big reveal? Ta-da!
It's a Hoover.
No.
It's not a Hoover.
No. It's a cleaner.
Carpet shampooing Hoover.
Cleany thingy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Carpet shampooer.
There you go. So it is a shark. It says on the front somewhere. CarpetXpert.
Oh, it's a CarpetXpert.
Yeah.
And why did you buy a Shark CarpetXpert?
Because the internet told me to.
Ah.
The internet's never wrong. But the internet said, this is the best a man can get.
No, that's Gillette.
Oh, okay, we're doing all the adverts today then. And the internet said that Shark are the best carpet cleaners in the world. Oh. I've heard that one.
Yeah.
So, being as I've just cleaned the carpet, it's a good test for it, because some of the staining did come back, as we showed. Might be your slippers, might not be. We don't know.
We don't know. But I've not been wearing them.
No. So,
They were new slippers as well.
yeah, it might not be them. It might have, who knows, anyway. We're straying. So, I'm going to give this a try and see what dirt it brings up. Because in theory, the carpet should be quite clean at the moment. So if this brings up a load more dirt, it's better than the cleaner I used last time. Up here for dancing, down there for thinking. No, it's down there for dancing, up there for thinking.
Yeah.
Alright. So that's my theory.
Okay.
So in theory, if there's still dirt in the carpet and this is the best cleaner that you can get, this is going to bring out all the dirt from the carpet.
That shouldn't be there because you've already cleaned it.
Aha.
Right.
Okay. Shall we know in a minute?
Shall we test it then?
Shall we know in a minute?
Yeah.
Because the internet will know in a minute because it'll be on the video.
Yeah.
Yeah.
In a minute.
So in a minute, yeah. It's going to take us about an hour, but for them it'll be a minute. Right, let me get it all set up and read the instructions, which I haven't got. There isn't them.
Didn't it come with instructions?
Perfect. So I've done the assembly. You push that in. Yeah, you push that in and it clicks. That's the assembly. What? That's the assembly.
Or just shoving a handle in.
That's it.
That's your assembly.
Yeah.
Right, okay.
Good, isn't it?
What?
Right, so you get this, you put it in there, like that, and it clicks. Like that. That was a challenge. Right, so after you clipped it in there, it goes around there, like that, in there, clips in there, clips in there, around there, and your tool clips in there. Just like that. And now we've got to put some water in there, and a bit of fluid, and strike it up.
There's a bit of tape on the side.
I know there's a bit of tape on the side. Right.
On both sides, is it?
Gone. Gone. The good thing about cleaning this, and I've seen this on the internet, is you pull that, like that, and that all comes out. Simple. Right, let's get some water in it, let's test it. So on the top there it tells you all about what the LEDs mean, and apparently you scan that QR code because everything has to be on the internet nowadays, and that gives you how-to videos. Yeah, okay, right, so water. Right, so we worked it out. Water line up to there, concentrate up to there. There you go. We don't need to go on the internet. Right, let's fill it with water. Right, so there we are. Filled the water to the water line, put the concentrate in. Now I'm going to screw the cap back on, like so. We're amateurs at this, but hey, thanks for joining us. Right, go and stick it back in the machine and off we go. Right, we're ready for the first use. So apparently you've got to clip that down, like that. So that little lever there goes down. Now we need to select mode. Yeah, lighting is great. You can really see that. So we're on. Whoa, hello. And we're off. Ta-da! Right, kind of sussed it out now, and we had two green flashing lights because I thought that lever there had got to be down. It hasn't, it's got to be up. That's for the tool, so don't put that down. Ignore what I just said. So now apparently we do that. There we go. We've got a blue light, which means we're going to clean. Okay, and I've got 2 red flashing lights. What the hell does that mean?
Can you read that?
Door open, apparently.
That don't mean door open, it's
says,
this bit.
No. Put your fingers out, flashing, door open.
Oh. Well, nothing's changed, so I don't know what's open.
Door open.
Ah,
Could have been that.
could have been
Could
that.
have been that.
Yay!
Door was open! Looks a lot cleaner.
It does. And the water is quite dirty.
Right, well, we've emptied the first tank. Not quite done all the room. It's not a very big room, but yeah, it's definitely looking cleaner. Now I'm going to empty the water, so I'm going to pop this out, and then, oh, look at that. Ew. Right, are we ready for the dirty reveal? So remember, this carpet was cleaned a couple of days ago. There you go, you can hold that. This, take the lid off like that. That's a little float in there that cuts it off when it gets full. So all good. This is the water that came out. Not filthy, but definitely black.
Yeah. Nowhere near as bad as yesterday's water, but dirtier than I expected it to be. You?
So my conclusions are that the Shark definitely cleans better than what I was using.
And what were you using?
I was using that
Henry?
Hetty or something like that, yeah. But yeah,
You're impressed?
so far.
So far, so good.
So there you go. Gone over it. Also just put it on suck and did that as well. But certainly the stubborn areas, like down there, seems to have cleaned up. And obviously coming in the door's always been a stubborn area. It's made a good job of it. And it's yeah, it's almost dry. So what things have I learnt? Well, I know for a fact you don't use that lever unless you want to use the tool. So that one there, you don't put that down unless you want to use the tool. I've learned, I'll take it in the kitchen because there's no pigging light in there. Right, so yeah. So that tool, that goes down when you use the tool on the side. If your tank gets full, you'll hear a boop noise and it will stop sucking, because it just did that. What else? Only the controls. You switch it on. It takes a second just to spool up. That then takes it between your deep cleaning and your dry sucking only. That's it. Pretty easy to use, to be honest. I think even you could use it.
Yeah, probably. Yeah.
There you go. But what do you think of the results?
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I mean, considering the carpet had just been cleaned,
Yeah.
the muck that came out of it was
That came out
pretty significant.
Yeah.
So there you go. There is the Sharp Carpet Expert. Do we approve?
Yes.
Yay!
Yeah.
We approve. Right, a little bit of bonus footage. And not the bags that the wife keeps forgetting to put in the car and clutters the place up with. Yes, you. I'm going to clean this, because this takes the brunt of everybody going up the stairs.
Yeah, our son never takes his shoes off when he comes home from work, does he?
No,
Never.
or when he's working in the garage or doing something outside.
Yeah.
Straight up the stairs
Yeah.
with his mucky shoes on.
Our stairs do take the brunt.
Right, let's have a look. So time to use the tool, and I've heard these are not quite as powerful as the main thing. Makes sense, but let's see how good it is. That's fun. I think that's got a lot of dirt out. Let's have a look. Yep,
Get your head out the way.
that looks very dirty.
Oh, my goodness. That is filthy. But we knew it would be.
And this is quite a good tool, because you can either have the little one like that or the big one like that. And it's pretty powerful.
Wow.
And the spray comes out just there.
Oh,
So
okay.
it makes a little bit of a mess around the area when you spray it like that. But small price to pay. That's got a lot of suction. That's got a lot of suction.
Yeah.
Right, let's empty this water.
That's unbelievable.
Bear in mind, this is just off one small step.
Stare. Oh,
That's just one little area.
my goodness. Yeah. That's pretty disgusting, because I hoover 2 or 3 times a week, don't I, on the stairs?
Yeah.
Wow.
Hoovering just don't cut it.
It doesn't, no. There you go. Right then.
Right. Suppose we'll carry on the rest of the house now then.
No, you don't have to.
Bye, internet.